Hey guys, today we are going to discuss 7 C's in communication. Firstly, we are going to discuss introduction. Effective communication is possible only when it is complete. There are 7 principles which make communication effective. These 7 principles are called 7 C's. The reason is that all start with the letter C. Communication of every type like personal, business, etc. can be made effective by using these 7 C's. 7 C's are given. Number 1, clarity. There should be clarity in communication. Clarity makes it effective. Number 2, courtesy. An effective communication is full of courtesy. It is filled with friendly behavior. Courteous words like thanks, sorry, etc. make the communication effective and strong. Number 3, conciseness. Effective communication is based on conciseness. It is neither long nor too short. Number 4, consideration. Effective communication is made on consideration. The speaker should give respect to whom he is talking to. Number 5, completeness. Effective communication is complete in form. Number 6, correctness. Effective communication is always based on correctness. And number 7, concreteness. Effective communication is made only when it is concrete. That's enough. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel AR English Lab. Thank you. Bye-bye.